Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In this chapter 12, we will learn advanced tool of arc tool, line segment tool, advanced tool of line segment tool, arc tool, spiral tool, rectangular and polar grid tool. Just let's go for advanced tool, Adobe Illustrator. This is the line segment tool. Line segment tool, we can draw a line, vertical line, horizontal line. Okay, just like you can draw a line. I want to draw a line. This type of line we can draw. Okay. One more thing, I want to join this line. Just a minute. This all line I want to join. So this is the shortcut of Control J to join the line. Okay, Control J. Automatically this is the joint. I want to join this to this to this, and after that I want to remove this line. How is possible? Just go to your anchor point, delete anchor point, this one, just click here, delete it. Okay, so this is the, and one more thing, I want to delete this one, delete anchor point, and now zoom in. This is the point, I don't want to this point. Okay, just delete it. No, just a minute. I want to give the shape of this like that. I want to join this line to here. Just go to here. Just a minute, pen tool. Join this line to here, like that. Just a minute. Delete anchor point. Go to anchor point, or add new anchor point, or I want to delete this anchor point. Up to now, this line should be deleted. Zoom in. Join this line to here. Just a minute. All the line will be deleted. Pen tool. Join this line here. Okay. Like that. So I make one design like that. Okay. Now next is arc tool. Arc tool, we can draw a arc like that, or click here to get a x-axis, y-axis size, open or close arc you want. If you want open arc, then click OK, and this is the open arc, and close arc, this is the close, like that, automatically closed. Okay, with the help of arc, we can draw some beautifully design like that. I want to this with the help of mirror. I want mirror. Rotate. Go to reflect tool. Horizontal reflect. Or you can rotate this by the using of this one. Okay. Or arc tool. You can create a beautiful, just a minute, go to here, 1 minute, delete everything. With the help of arc tool, click here, I want open. Okay, bigger one. Okay, just a minute, I want should be 200. Okay, this is the arc. I want to draw another arc, or you can click here to x-axis or y-axis. This is the arc, and this one arc. I want to join this both the arc itself. We have made one leaf. Join this, Ctrl J to join this leaf. And one more thing, I want to rotate this arc like that with the help of shape builder. No. With the help of rotate tool, we can make one beautiful design. Press the Alt key like that. Ctrl D, repeat like that. With the help of Arc tool, we have made some attractive design like that. Or you can make another one. Alt key like that. Repeat Ctrl D. Or you can go rotate tool, Alt key, press the Alt key like that, Ctrl D like that. Now next one is spiral tool like that. You can make a spiral, this one, and made by spiral. You can make another spiral. Click here. I want to be the 90%. No, this one. Okay, I want to join this arc spiral to rotate this like that. I want to join this arc over here like that. Like that. You can increase the size of this by using pen tool. No, just a minute. Shit. Increase the size of pen tool or line segment tool. Pencil tool you can use also like that. Okay, I want to remove this. Go to remove anchor point. Remove this anchor point. Remove this anchor point. And you can, okay, now you can go to anchor point. Give the shape like that. Or remove this anchor point. Okay, so that we can draw something attractive by using this shape. Second one is a rectangular grid tool. We can make a one grid tool, or you can click here to get a width and height, how number of horizontal divider, vertical divider. Okay, like that. You can make some attractive design by using the shape builder also. Like that, I want to make a colorful. So just go to window, go to switcher, on the color box. I want to make some colorful this design like that. I want to fill this box to different color like. Okay, like that. Like that. Colorful grid. Make it beautiful. Like that. Okay. Now all to mouse down to zoom in, to zoom out. Okay. Now select everything. I want to rotate this by using rotate tool. Like that. Alt key. Like that. Okay. Control D to repeat. Like that. With the help of arc key, with the help of delete arc point, you can delete it to make a beautiful design. Like that. Just a minute. Like that. This is the beautiful design. Second one is a polar grid tool. Rectangular grid tool and polar grid tool both are same, but here is the polar, some spiral tool, like that. Same, everything is same. You can use by shape builder to colorful, like that. I want this color to fill this spiral, like that. Like that. Make an attractive design. We can repeat this. First of all, I want to delete something because my artboard is filled. Okay, I want to repeat this. Small down. Go to here. Alt key. Repeat. Control D. Like that. I want to repeat this one. Control D. This is the attractive design. Okay, so if you know the basic tool or advanced tool, about the basic tool and advanced tool, whatever, A to Z, if you have some knowledge about A to Z knowledge about the basic tool and advanced tool, you can make a attractive design in Illustrator. So that this course will be very helpful, because I will give the idea of basic tool, how to use the basic tool, what is the functionality of basic tool and advanced tool, and what is the property of these tools. Everything you should have to learn. And with the help of my video, my chapter wise videos, you can do yourself practically. Without practical, you can't learn something. Okay, so with the help of your and my, you can learn Illustrator better. Okay, thank you.